Hi there, it's Amy. I'm making this video for the advocacy proposal. I've decided to do this project over the Mobile Diabetes Center that my school runs. It's a pretty much like a big bus that goes around and offers services for people for diabetes, and they do things like flu shot as well during the flu season. So they take a lot of volunteers from my school, and so that's kind of how I found out about it, other than the fact that like my school runs it. But they send out emails all the time asking for volunteers because they're always needing them. So for this project, my goal is to raise awareness and inform others the just what the Mobile Diabetes Center does, the services it offers for the community, so that we can get more people to use it, and then also recruit more volunteers from my school because we learn a lot about diabetes in my nursing classes, and so if we get people learning hands-on, then that'll make the learning experience even better when they graduate and become nurses. So for my resources, I'm going to be using the school website. There's a lot of information on there about it, and then also Jillian Sisson, she kind of runs it all and partners with everybody for it. So I will be in contact with her with any questions that I have. Then I'll be making a flyer or something of some sort. I'm not sure exactly what yet. So, yeah, that is my goal. Thank you.